Ready for the battery, or what do we?
I thought we were ready for the battery, but then I remember this rear tire here is dead.
Oh.
So, fingers crossed. This old tube old tear. I mean, we probably need to.
Yeah.
Probably needs to be replaced, but it'd be real nice if we didn't have to.
Yeah.
So
maybe it's just the valve stem, right? Maybe.
Come on.
No.
Oh man.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, man. So,
I guess that's why it was discount price, huh?
yeah.
Got our original service shop manual here. I can't imagine. I mean, I don't know how to do it. The engine's on the rear wheel, but I can't believe that Honda's procedure would have been that bad on something like this to just put a tire on it.
Oh.
Remove
Step one.
engine.
Remove engine. Oh,
Spectacular. All right.
So,
well, that can't be that hard, right?
So
where's
if you ever get a flat tire on these, step one is to remove the engine.
Section 2.1.a.
Surely there's got to be a better way. I mean,
This is a little bit beyond the normal hipster mechanical aptitude here, so.
Dude, I'll throw this damn
sure
thing
we
in
got.
the river before I remove the engine to do the rear.
2.1.a. Well, I don't know. What's that bad? Oh, Lord.
I'm going to need a beer. I'm not taking the damn engine off.
Yeah. So there's the engine removal. And we'll do it if we have to. The original tires are on it. We're not going across the country with this thing, and it's cool to have the original tires.
I'm not going across the street on this.
So I guess there's got to be a better way to do this. I can't believe that if we're just not, if we're doing an inner tube.
Yeah, let's see if we can see if we can slip that axle out enough to get a tube up in there.
God, what a flimsy ass little mount on there.
Stupid thing, aka.
Oh, yeah, that'd be it. So we started that sometime this morning, and it took at least an hour and a half to change that rear tube without pulling the engine all the way out. I don't know if we saved any time or not. I like to think we did. It probably have been a little bit of work to get that wheel off the engine, get it separated, but.
I mean, the only other thing we didn't do is detach the brake cable.
Yeah. Yeah. Who knows? So the answer is probably not, but I'd say it deserves a beer anyway, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
This YouTube video brought to you by Braxton Brewing Company.
Yeah.
Braxton, send us some beer.